Hi, everyone. Today teach you to upgrade is the Dodge Rams. This is its original car. First, we unscrew the 3 screws that fix the outer frame of the original car. Now take this black pad away and twist the 2 screws under it. Then remove the 2 screws here. Finally, remove the screw here. You can take out the armrest box completely. Now we use the tool to loosen the frame, and then take down the frame. Pull out all the plugs on the back of it. Now unscrew the 4 screws that hold the original car screen. Remove the screen and remove the plug. Now we separate the screen frame on the outer frame from it and unscrew all the screws that hold it. Now we will install the new car radio to the frame and fix it. Now start to connect the wire. This is the GPS antenna. This is the 4th generation antenna. This is the video output line. This is a USB transmission line. Connect the original car USB adapter line. Connect the RCA audio cable. Now we connect the original car radio plug. Connect the power cord to the canvas box. Connect the communication serial port. Connect button communication plug. This is the screen power plug. Connect the reversing plug. Now we plug the plug on the back of the original car frame. Then transfer this double flash plug. Now connect the power cable to the original car power supply. Connect the original car USB plug. After all connected, install it. Finally, we reinstall the handrail box. Now that the installation is complete, you need to set up canvas before using it again. After the setting is completed, you can use the original car air conditioning. You can use the steering wheel button to control the new car radio, adjust the volume, switch songs. Support original car reversing image. Support door safety reminder. You can listen to local or other app online songs. You can watch local or other apps online video. Support DSP sound adjustment. Automatic search of local radio stations. Support local maps or other app online maps. Support Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Support wireless Carplay and Android Auto. You can call here, listen to songs, use online maps and other mobile applications. This video is here. Thank you for watching.